The SSC Tuatara is a sports car designed, developed and manufactured by American automobile manufacturer SSC North America, formerly Shelby Supercars Incorporated. The car has a sport, track, and lift driving modes. In sport mode, the ride height is 4 and 102 mm at the front and 4.5 and 114 mm at the rear. In track mode, the ride height lowers to 2.75 and 70 mm at the front and 3.75 and 95 mm at the rear. The lift mode is designed to protect the underbody of the car while driving over speed bumps or driveways. On May 14, 2022, Larry Kaplan's Tuatara reached a one-way speed of 475 km per hour or 295 miles per hour over the course of 2.3 miles at Space Florida's launch and landing facility.